It is responsible for managing business processes in cooperation with CRM, inventory, and workflow systems. This presentation will demonstrate features of service inventory with examples of a services sales process and a services maintenance process. Services sale example. The services sale process consists of 3 basic steps. An order is created in CRM. Next, the required service is created, and asset availability is verified in service inventory. Lastly, workflow is used to activate the service. In service inventory, the system user verifies if the services can be activated. Services existing under given address points are listed. Preliminary service verification is successful. In SunVision Resource Inventory, we can see that the client address has been precisely modeled with assets required for service activation. The system user reserves required assets. The reserved assets now await activation. Back in Resource Inventory, a link through an optic fiber to the client address point has been reserved automatically by the system. The last step is to start the activation process from Service Inventory. The system user is switched to SunVision Workflow, where he can start the service fulfillment process. A set of tasks for various departments is created based on the process template. An installation and configuration task is forwarded to the technical support and then assigned to a specific worker. The required equipment is installed at the client's address. As the tasks are finalized, the system modifies services states. Finally, a notification is sent to the client. In Service Inventory, we can now see that the services and assets connected with them are active. Services maintenance based on example of optical network failure. A service maintenance process consists of the following steps: failure discovery and resource inventory, assessing and marking which services are affected by the failure, starting a repair process, repairing assets, and restoring services. Equipment failure can be detected automatically by the resource inventory, or it can be defined manually based on a report. The system user registers an optical cable failure after a phone call from technical support. Failure influence on connected assets and services can be easily evaluated. Reporting a failure in resource inventory causes a string of automatic events. Connected assets are marked as unavailable. Services using those assets are also set as unavailable. A repair process is started. Clients who have noticed service unavailability begin contacting the call center. The call center agent registers the support ticket and checks service availability. The service has already been marked unavailable in service inventory. After the repair is done, technical support updates status of the ticket and finishes the workflow process. The failure can now be closed in resource inventory. Closing the failure causes the following automatic events: asset availability is restored, and connected services are restored. In service inventory, it can be seen that the service is active again. SunVision Service Inventory is a vital system dedicated to improving efficiency of business processes by offering advantages such as rapid verification of services availability, providing clients with fast feedback regarding failures, easy assessment of asset failure influence on services status. Thank you for watching.